Good morning guys. I want to show you how to use variable in Python or Pydroid or Python. Anyone you use to program or Android or PC, you can understand this variable. Watch this video to the end. Let me get started. X is my variable. X is equal to, let me put a name character, is equal to John. Let me give a space. John Carter. So if you write John Carter, you need to come to the second to the paragraph and put the input or output, print, open bracket, and write the name, hyphen, and give the space. Let me put additional and put X, my variable. Let me run now. Very good. Name John Carter. That one I want. Name is John Carter. So we can edit if we want. You can put his name John Carter. You see that we need to go back and second to the paragraph and write the variable again. Variable, that's my variable, is equal to let me put the John H. How we wish to John H? Let me see. And we put 45. Yes. After you put 45, yes. Yes. So we need to come to the second to the paragraph and print my output. Print open bracket. So H plus variable. So run. Very nice. His name John Carter. H 40. Yes. So we need to edit again and come to the H. We forget hyphen, so we put hyphen here and run again. His name John Carter, age 45 years. That one correct. So we need to get to the second to the line, 5 line, and put variables again. So after we put variable, we need to put another characters. Variable is equal to we need to put the John Carter job and title. So we need web developer. So that one is John Carter job. we need to second to the paragraph, print, open bracket, so with job we write job here. After we write job here, we come again forward of the job and put additional and variable. So run. Let me roll it again. Very good. His name John Carter, age 45 years, job web developer. So we need to divide the job between web developer and job. So come back again and put hyphen here. Hyphen and run again. Very good. Age 45 years, job web developer. So back again and put, so come to the paragraph, variables, scroll to variable, scroll to $3,000, $3,000, and print, open bracket, write salary, that is salary, or salary, or amount, or monthly, anyone you want to put here. So after put that salary, come give this space, put hyphen. Very good. We put addition and variables. Run again. Very good. His name John Carter, age 45 years, job web developer, salary $3,000. So if you understand that you can do any variable, so in my next video I want to show you how to variable add another variable. So if you want to see my video, subscribe my channel, and if I upload the new video, you can see it about Java or Python programming. So Python is very easy. You can program it simply, successfully. Thank you for watching this video.